Hello, everyone, and welcome to this channel once again. So, last week in our live stream section, we discussed fractions, and then um, we actually, in our WhatsApp group where we learned together, we actually had this assignment um, to work out, and some people worked out and submitted. So, right now, I just want to do the workout for everyone so we can see it. So, let's solve these questions. For exercise 1.1, For exercise 1.1, we have a question that says simplify. Simplify just simply means reduce a question to work it out to the simplest form. So as it is like this, it's still complex. So you're supposed to work it out to the simplest form, and that's what it just means by simplify. So simplify 5 whole number 1 over 4 divided by brackets 1 whole number 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2 and the bracket close. So in solving a math question that has different mathematical signs together. This is minus. In solving mathematical questions that have different mathematical signs together, we need to use a formula called the BIDMAS formula. The BIDMAS, B-I-D-M-A and S. So the BIDMAS formula, B stands for brackets, I stands for index. Index are things like um, square root, squares, those are index. Cube root and all of that. So after index, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. These are actually orders on how you should solve mathematical questions that has to do with multiple signs. So we can see we have division and we have minus and we have a bracket. So we use the order, the mathematical order, which is BIDMAS. So applying the BIDMAS, according to the BIDMAS, the first thing we should do is the brackets. After brackets, index. After index, division. After division, multiplication. Then before the addition is subtraction. So we solve the bracket first. And the bracket says 1 whole number, 2 over 3, minus 1 over 2. Then remember, we keep our whole number. We do the 2 over 3, then minus 1 over 2. Then we'll find the LCM of 2 and 3, and that's 6. So 3 divided 6 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So when you write or equal to, don't forget your whole number. Write the whole number here. 3 divided 6 is 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. Minus 2 divided 6 is 3. And 3 times 1 is 3. So everything is over the LCM, which is 6. Then when we do that, let's get in our whole number. Then 4 minus 3 is 1 over 6. So this is for the bracket. Then we go to the next one, which is the 5 whole number 1 over 4 divided by the bracket. We found the value for the bracket. So we just insert that value. 5 whole number 1 over 4 divided by, this is the bracket, 1 whole number 1 over 6. And this gives us, let's convert them to improper fractions instead of a mixed fraction so it can be easier for us. So this gives us 5 times 4 is 20 plus 1 is 21. So 21 over 6, 21 over 4 actually, divided by 1 times 6 is 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 over 6. Then this equals 21 over 4. The division changed to multiplication, and then this next number becomes the inverse. So inverse of 7 over 6 is 6 over 7. Now we divide. 7 here, 1. 7 here is 3. 2 here is 2. 2 here is 3. So we have 9, which is 3 times 3 is 9 over 2. So now we have 2 divided 9 is 4 whole number, 1 over 2. And this is it. So our final answer for exercise 1.1, our answer is C, which is 4 whole number, 1 over 2.